everyone, Michelle's going to tell us a little bit about our new personalization selling system.
Yeah, so we're excited to launch our personalization selling system. It features our best-selling Stuller single initial styles and best-selling engravable styles, both metal fashion and diamond fashion versions of each. You can purchase the entire collection for $649, or just the initials for $349, or all the engravables for $349 as well.
All right, guys, if you're in this area, make sure you come into our booth and check out all of the personalized jewelry that we have.